Hey y'all, how you doing today? Dana here, and I am in a different kitchen today. I'm in my sweet mom-in-law's kitchen, and I've got a surprise guest that's here for Thanksgiving. Come on in. Who is it? Who is it? Tell them who you are.
I'm Alexander.
He's Alexander, and he's our nephew, and he's here for Thanksgiving, aren't you? It's not Thanksgiving now, he said, but it was yesterday. So anyway, we're gonna make something for, who are we making this for?
Grandmother.
We're making something for grandmother. She's had surgery and she's a little needing some extra care from us. So we're gonna make her something tasty, aren't we? What are we gonna make her?
What is it?
Cabbage and ham.
Cabbage and ham.
Cabbage and ham is what's on the menu because that's what she said she liked. So we have this right here on medium heat, and we're about to add some things to it to make the ham taste really, really good. The first thing we're gonna do is pull this a little closer, but we're gonna be careful not to touch it because it gets hot on the outside. So we gotta remember that, right, Alex?
Yep.
Okay, first thing we're gonna do is melt some butter.
Can I do it?
You can do it. I've heard that you like butter. I heard from your Tina that you like butter. Do you want a taste of that little bit of butter?
Yes.
Okay. He loves butter. Now you can stir that around. Go on, baby boy.
Okay, but I'm not gonna burn it.
There you go. Just stir it around. You're not gonna touch it. You're good. You're good. Just stir it around. Get it in the middle. All right. Alex, do you like to cook?
Yes.
Do you cook with your mama?
Yes. Not all the time. I play.
You play. Well, while you're doing that, I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil because the olive oil and the butter give it a great taste.
Okay.
And what we're going to do is actually saute some ham and then throw in a pack of cabbage. Y'all, this is a really quick and easy thing to make. And you get a little cornbread on the side and you're good to go. Right?
Yes.
First thing we got to do is get our ham. Now, y'all, I bought a pack of ham that's the cubed ham. And we're going to pour this in. That's perfect.
Can I have one piece?
You want one piece? Well, he's got to taste it. Is it worthy of grandmother?
It tastes kind of cold.
Kind of cold. Well, we're going to heat it up and cook it. You ready? Can you rake it?
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay, do it. Did you touch it?
No.
Okay. Well, here, let me help you a little minute.
You do it.
Okay, here. Okay, there we go.
No.
It's popping on us, isn't it?
I'm not going to do it.
Wait just a minute. Let me turn it down.
Thank you.
Turn it down a little bit. Okay, I got to put some more ham in there. You stir it.
It's hot on this.
Yeah, but don't be touching that now that you got it in there. Just stir it. You want a longer one? Try mine. It's longer. We're going to add a little more ham to this.
Oh!
You ready?
Yeah. Oh! Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Here comes the ham. Ooh, baby. Here, let me get in there and work it. We need it this hot because we're fixing to add this cabbage, and this cabbage is going to cool it way down. Okay? You ready? You stir, and I'll pour the cabbage in. There we go.
So the cabbage?
We're going to put
That's
that
the
cabbage
cabbage?
in. This is the cabbage.
Wait, I need to taste it.
You need to taste it.
You need to try it first.
Oh, yeah. He wants to eat the cabbage. We like cabbage.
Mm.
You know what else we need? Some salt and pepper. I'm going to stir this up, and then we're going to get some...
pepper coming up.
Do you know where it is? He's going to go get me some salt and pepper. He has got more energy than just about 5 of us put together, but that's good. He's paying attention and working real hard. There he goes. He's a good boy. All right.
Can I stir it?
Yes, stir it. See, I told you it would cool down after we added that to it. And I'll do the salt in. You want to do the pepper? Okay.
You just do it.
I'll do stir.
What is it?
Well, on pepper, you can't see it good. It's coming out, though. See those little black specks? Yeah, just do some, and I'll stir it around. Good. Get some more. Good. Let me show you something. Did you know that if you watch the pepper, you put the salt on top of it like this and do this, the pepper just runs out the bottom. Can you see it? I know it. Now you stir that in there. Stir it in. We got to have some pepper on our cabbage, don't we, y'all?
Yep.
All right. Got a little bit more salt, too. All right. Stir it up. Do you think grandmother will love this? I think grandmother will love this too. You're a good grandson to make her this. So, let me get a hold of it and stir a minute, and you talk to me about school. Tell me about school. What grade are you in?
Kindergarten.
Kindergarten, okay.
Second grade.
Kindergarten or second grade? Which one is it?
You know, like in numbers. I'm in second.
Oh, you're in second, okay.
I'm in kindergarten.
Well, he's in one of them.
I'm kindergarten.
Okay. All right. Now I got to turn this up a little bit, Alex. It went down too low.
Why?
Because it's not sizzling anymore.
It needs to sizzle.
It needs to sizzle because what we got to do, you see that cabbage right there? It's got to get cooked. Now, I don't like to cook mine until it's soggy. I like to cook mine where it's got a little bit of crunch to it, but it still tastes cooked. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Now, Alex, you like to eat. What's some of your favorite foods that you like to eat?
Sometimes I like to eat like ham and
Ham's good.
and turkey.
Did you eat turkey at Thanksgiving?
Yes, a ham and turkey sandwich sounds good.
I like that.
And
I like
peanut
that.
butter and jelly.
Peanut butter and jelly. Whoops. Well, he fell off his stool. Hang on. Come on. Up you go. He has a really nice stool here that's called Camp Grandma Stool, don't you? There we go. Just took a little tumble, didn't you? That's okay. Stuff happens. See the steam coming up? That's a good sign. It's going to be good. Now, listen, I have heard through the grapevine that you may or may not want to taste of this. Are you going to want to taste of this?
Maybe. Maybe I'll try some of the meat.
You taste some of the meat. He likes the meat. Good.
I don't really want the cabbage.
You don't want the cabbage. Well, you know, when you get my age, you'll love cabbage.
Okay.
But-
I want to try it. I want to do the meat today.
Okay. Well, what we're going to do now,
turn.
it's my turn. Thank you. You're a sweet boy.
And I only got me.
You got one too, don't you? Okay.
Got you.
It's looking good. All right. What we're going to do now, I'm going to get something and we're going to taste it. You want to taste it? I'll let you taste the ham. All right, come on over here with me. And let's go get a little plate.
Okay.
You want a fork?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay, we both got us a little bowl and a fork. We're going to see if we think this is ready
I
yet.
got a baby bowl.
Okay, now I'm going to give you a few pieces of ham and only a little cabbage, but I'm going to get both the cabbage and the ham because I like the cabbage.
Ooh, it's hot.
It is hot. We're not going to taste it until it cools off, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Woo! No falling. All right, let's see. Tell me some more things. Do you have a puppy?
2.
What are their names?
One is Buster.
Well, come back over here. They can't see you.
One is Buster and one is Betty Boo.
Buster and Betty Boot. Well, those are some good names for puppies. Are they big dogs or little dogs?
One is medium and one is as small as a mouse.
Small as a mouse. Okay, let's try and see if this is ready. Are y'all ready? You want to taste of it? See if we've done good or not. If we think grandmother will like it. You like it? Oh, it's good. Now that's some good stuff. Just so y'all know, Alex is picking off the cabbage. But he likes the ham. I think we've done good by grandmother, don't you?
Yep.
Okay. You like the ham? I'm glad you like it. Okay. Have you enjoyed being in the kitchen with me today? Thank you for coming and agreeing. And we're tired now because we've been checking on the cows, haven't we?
I'm not tired.
He's not tired.
I'm never tired.
He's never tired. Okay. Well, listen, I'm going to tell you that we're glad that you joined us in the kitchen, aren't we, Alex?
Yep.
And we're going to tell you what I always tell you. The good Lord, He loves you a lot. And I love you too. And Alex loves you too, right? Y'all go have a really good day and make you some wonderful ham and cabbage. It's a cinch. Bye now. Tell them bye.
Bye.
Okay, we're done.
Yeah.
All right, go see if grandmother wants some cabbage.